Hey, so today I'm gonna be decorating the Christmas tree. I'm really excited. I'm sorry if my voice sounds like this. I'm losing my voice. I am thinking about doing a feathery looking Christmas tree, and this is really my first time to decorate a Christmas tree in which, you know, I have the full control of decorating it, and I'm really excited. So I bought a lot of stuff from different places, different shops. The Christmas tree was like our old Christmas tree. I just sprayed a little bit of snow paint in it that I got from Deals, and I just sprayed a little bit of the fake snow or paint. One bottle wasn't enough, so I decided to just cover half of the Christmas tree and then leave the other half green, because we might want green Christmas tree for next year or any other Christmases. So I just left it that way. I put on the Christmas lights, which is blue. I like cool tone Christmas lights than warm tones. And then I went ahead and put all the feathers layer by layer until I covered up most of it. But I just made sure that I had a little bit of green peeking out, because I don't want the Christmas tree to look like just full-on feathers. And then I went ahead and took this plastic plant looking stuff that I got from Mr. Price. I just kind of spread out the branches more, and I kind of just stuck them onto the tree and made sure that it looks a bit like it was part of the tree. And this is just how I did it. I feel that I should have bought more of the feathery looking branch, because I feel like it looks prettier than the other ones, but I think I made it work a little bit. With this one with like little ball or snowballs in it, I didn't know how I'm gonna like make it look like a part of the tree, so I decided to just stick it on top of the tree, like it's like a branch standing up. I don't know, I didn't know what to do with it, so I just did it that way. And then after I did that, I just put on some of the like random stuff, random flowers that I have, and I just stuck it like everywhere. I have this two roses from long time ago, and I decided to just stick it on the Christmas tree because I thought, you know, it's cute and it makes it more girlier. After I did that, I added some of my ornaments, which is this butterfly that I got from a furniture shop. It was like €4 per butterfly, so I only got 2. And then I got this reindeer, which is literally like shedding, so I have to be really careful with it. I got it from Mr. Price as well, and I'm just gonna stick it right in the middle of the Christmas tree like that. I went ahead and stuck on the bubbles. Is that what you call it? I think you call it bubbles, randomly everywhere. My mom suggested that I should put pink on it so that it matches with the chair or the cover of the chair right beside the Christmas tree. That's where we're gonna put the Christmas gifts, so that's what I did. Oh yeah, and I added a bow on top of it. I wanted it to be different this year. I also put my old silky skirt at the bottom as the Christmas tree skirt, and then I put this cute nutcracker that I found from Furniture and More. This is super cute. It's glittery. This is the finished look of the Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. It feels like a wedding Christmas tree, but it's super cute. Yeah, so that is how I did the Christmas tree, and hopefully that made you guys feel more festive, gave you some ideas on how to decorate your Christmas tree. Make sure you like this video if you like the Christmas tree. Let me know in the comments if you have your Christmas tree up already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.